Well, hello again, Bissell fans. Fresh on the heels of a dry pass test, let's go ahead and do a two-pass fine dust test as simulated with this 10 grams of baking soda. So how will this CleanView perform when we measure how much actually goes into the bin as a whole and also how much we can reasonably extract from the bin? Let's see how much this empty bin weighs. I gotta move you back a little bit. All right, let's try there. Okay, I am seeing 1190.7 grams, and that appears to be pretty stable. Watch how easily this carpet, this medium pile carpet, swallows 10 grams of fine dust. It's like it never was there. Okay, here we go. I can already see there's some white spots in there, so we certainly know that it didn't get it all. So now, let's go and measure the bin as a whole. Did we get? Well, let me move you in closer. We started out at 1190.7 and now we're at 1195.6. So if I take 1195.6 and then I'll subtract 1190.7, we have 4.9 out of 10 grams. So that would be 49%. So that's actually pretty good, I think. Now that's the entire bin, which includes, there's a little yellow sponge up there and there's a cyclone assembly that you can see and whatever else. So now let me go and try to extract as much as I can because we're not going to get 49% extracted from the bin. And I'm probably going to have to clean the sample because I'm already seeing some carpet in there. Some of the carpet has actually stuck right there in the plastic on the inside of the bin, so that's nice and convenient. All right, fairly clean pickup. Got to get rid of some of this stuff here, and let's collect this and see what the fully extracted amount is. Definitely not going to be 49%, but looks like a pretty decent pickup, I suppose. Got to measure it though. See, I think you can still see that. Over here a little bit. All right. Get the rest of that out of there. Okay. Well, since we use 10 grams, we don't really need a calculator for this. So the fully extracted amount from the bin gets reduced down to 34.4%. So it's easy to just go ahead and move the decimal place over there. Okay, so you see my hand waves and that bounces around a little bit. That's one of the problems of having a scale that's super sensitive. All right, so we'll say 34.4%. So that's not actually that bad. So this thing has a little higher CFM than some of the other bagless systems I have, and guess what? It does a pretty nice job for fine dust pickup. Of course, that means there's still a lot more fine dust still in the carpet. But for the amount of money that you can buy this thing for, that's not bad at all. So, hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.